Now, let us have a look at some of the service offerings which are provided in the sphere of generative AI by AWS. Some of the service offerings include Amazon Bedrock, Amazon EC2, Training One, and Inferentium, Trainium and Inferentium, and Amazon CodeWhisperer. So Amazon Bedrock, which we are going to deep dive in the next section, uses AI models from top AI startups and Amazon. Like we have looked at the base models in the previous section by popular companies such as Anthropic, Stability AI, Cloud Haiku, Hugging Face, and Amazon's Titan Text, Titan Embeddings. And we can also integrate with AWS tools after customization with SageMaker. Then we have certain EC2 instances which are optimized for real-time inference as well as for training and deploying these models. So these are IaaS, infrastructure as a service for ML experts to build, train, and deploy your own models from scratch with specialized ML accelerator for training deep learning models with greater than 100 billion parameters. And it also offers significant cost savings. Then we have Amazon CodeWhisperer, which provides intelligent coding suggestions and is kind of an AI coding companion, which helps us with suggestions from snippets to complete functions. Then we also have Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart, which provides a number of publicly available foundation models and proprietary models. Some of these publicly available models include Stability AI, models from Hugging Face, proprietary models such as Cohere, Lighton, AI21 Labs, and many of these tasks which we have already had a look at. The key difference between Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart and Amazon Bedrock is that Bedrock is a serverless service, and whereas SageMaker, on the other hand, you would have to provision an instance on which you would train and deploy a model on. Even though in both of the cases, it is going to be managed by AWS itself. Let us have a look at some of these EC2 instances which we talked about, Trainium and Inferentia on the console itself. So I've head over to EC2 dashboard and I'll select on instances. Then I'll launch an instance. Within this, I'm going to browse for more AMIs and I'm going to search for Trainium. As you can see that this is provided by Hugging Face, Hugging Face Deep Learning AMI, which offers us 50% cost to train savings. And it provides inferentia and trainium instances for training and inference of Hugging Face transformers and diffusers model. Then let us have a look at inferentia as well. As we can see that there are a lot of inferentia for real-time inference, which is offered by Hugging Face, and there are some other supported images as well. Moving on to some of the foundation models which are provided by SageMaker. I'll head over to SageMaker console, and here you can see Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart foundation models computer vision models, and natural language processing models. Within foundation models, you have a lot of the models which you saw in Amazon Bedrock as well, like AI-21, Jurassic 2 Ultra, Llama 27B. Then you have Cohere models, Falcon models provided by Hugging Face. Then you have Lighton Lyra, which is a proprietary model. Then we have certain computer vision models, such as image classification provided by TensorFlow Hub, PyTorch, object detection models, semantic segmentation by MXNet. We have certain natural language processing models provided by TensorFlow, a lot by Hugging Face. If I head over to one of these foundation models, Falcon 40B, again, this B represents the size of the model. 40B means 40 billion parameters. And if I open this notebook in Studio, after selecting the default user profile, now we would be able to see within the Amazon SageMaker Studio notebooks, which provides a Jupyter notebook experience within browser itself, that it'll ask us provision an instance. Like you can see, it has chosen a particular image for us, Python 3 kernel, and it's asking us the instance type. So it is asking us to provision a particular instance. On the other hand, Amazon Bedrock service is a serverless service where you don't have to provision this instance. It is managed by AWS itself. So I'll see you in the next section where we will dive deep into Amazon Bedrock and its associated terminologies. See you in the next section.